Hello, welcome to GOT. Today we're going to unbox some earbuds that were given to me by TrueFree to review. So we're going to go ahead and unbox these, give you a review, and tell you what I think. And to be completely transparent up front, they provided these for me, but did not tell me how to review or what to say. So this is all coming from me and my own experience. So let's get started and we will unbox the TrueFree B1 earbuds. Those protected really well by some cellophane. We'll go ahead and rip this off and get started. There we go. That's it. It looks like this just slides to open. Just to give you some specs according to the box here, it says it is 5.5 hours playtime, but up to 25 hours with the charging case. So with the charging case, you just pop the earbuds in there whenever they start to run low, and you can get up to 25 hours of listening. So that's great for any kind of world travel for sure. And these are made for Bluetooth wireless 5.4 version. So these are really up to date. Let's go ahead and see what's in the box here. Open the box. Looks like it just flips right out. There we go. Nice presentation. Nice foam there. Oh, nice and wrapped up there. Let's go ahead and see what's in this little box here. This is probably a charging cable, which is nice if they actually provide a charging cable. Nobody provides charging bricks anymore, so it's nice to still at least get a cable. This looks like a short cable, short USB-A standard. So here we go. Nice short charging cable. However, I'm sure you're able to use any size cable, any of your current charging systems to charge that up. And inside is this bud, and that looks like that's all that's in the box, except for maybe some instructions on how to set it up. But I've set up earbuds before, so that's not an issue. We'll go ahead and see how these work. Let's set this box aside for now. We can leave that one and see what we got here. Open them up. That's really nice. Tells you right away, left and right. Do they tell you on these things whether they are left and right? You've got this little plastic cover here. Let's take that off. And there's a nice little L right there listed there telling you that goes in the left ear. So I'm assuming the other one tells you it's the right ear. Now, the way these look like they work is they actually just grab. So you can see how there it just kind of springs back. So it grabs in the ear. So that looks pretty nice. This one, of course, it's got the red R there telling you it's the right. So when you put them back here in the case, you can see here, one side is larger than the other. This one being the red just goes right in there. And this one being the left goes right in there. Close it up, and you can see the light telling you it's charging. Let's go ahead and plug this in. Looks like the plug is right in the back. So you plug that in, and of course the light's on the front. And it looks like it's flashing, telling us it's charging. These are always fun, these big, long accordions that if you had to search for your language. So let's go ahead and see what it takes to activate these things. It says to put them in there first. Then we take your device here. So let's go ahead and use a Pixel Fold, and we'll go ahead and set these up. And we want to go into settings and Bluetooth devices, connection devices here, and we tell it to pair. Now, I believe you have to take these out first and put them in your ear, which I will do. This one goes in there. Big side goes out because you can see it's got the flashing and the touchpad. All right. Whoa, that was a really nice loud echo once it connected. That's pretty cool. Let me go ahead and we'll set it up and turn it on to some video or something. Probably one of my videos. See how that is really nice and clear. Let's see if I turn. Wow, that is very loud. I'm trying not to be extra loud speaking about it. Let's pause this for a second. Wow, that is completely loud and clear. They fit really well. They don't feel like they're going to fall out at all. As you can see here, how they just kind of snug right around your ear and very comfortable, very lightweight. Of course, I guess it looks like I'm wearing an earring now. I don't know, but they are really good and you can't hear them. I got them turned up really loud. Let me go ahead and take them off and we'll put them in front of the microphone here. And let's see if you can hear them in the microphone. I've got them just a few inches away. And let me put it right up close. In a relationship with carriers. So in the United States, OnePlus starting to move up. I don't know if the microphone picks them up, but I can tell you, for me, right, I got to get them that close before I can hear anything. Can't really hear anything here. So what that means to me is I thought with these you would lose your privacy because they don't actually fit deep in your ear. They just kind of sit there on the edge. But I guess because of the way they're designed, they just echo around your ear and then of course to your ear chamber. They're very loud when you wear them. So that's really impressive. I like the sound. It's very clear. a lot of bass. Of course, there's a lot of bass in my videos. Now, I know I said that so many times, but I'm just amazed at how well they sound. So these are some really good earbuds. I'll go ahead and put a link to these down in the description. So if you want to pick some up, they're called TrueFree B1. They are very reasonably priced, as you can see here on Amazon. And now there's a discount sale going on, so you might want to pick some up. I had my wife give them a try, and she said they sound really good. She has some similar ones that she bought, and she says these were a lot more bass and a lot more clear sound than the set she has. So I may have to get her a set as well, because I'm not giving these up. So these also come with an app. Check out this app, TrueFree. You can open it up, and it'll recognize your earbuds as long as you got them connected up. And with this app, you can see your percentage on your battery, which is really nice. They need to be fully charged so they can be even. And then it also has some way to custom set up your touchpad. You do some clicks. I'll go ahead and change the volume settings. Left go up or plus, and then right will do reducing the volume with a single tap. So I think that's pretty neat how you can go ahead and change that. And then you could also customize your equalizer. It has some built-in ones. I like to add bass on mine, so that's pretty nifty. And it has a few other things that you could do, like customize your equalizer by checking your hearing. And this app will do that. You just put it in and you get it started. And all you do is you listen to the different sounds. And by playing this, it plays the sounds, and you just determine which ones you hear, and it will adjust things for your personalized hearing. So it looks like TrueFree has everything covered here. These earbuds from TrueFree get 2 thumbs up from me. Go pick yourself up a set.